Karpal Singh and Sons in Sweden, a hypothetical accountability check. If Karpal Singh, Tiger of Gelutong, and his sons operated under Sweden's governance system, their alleged nepotism, undeclared assets, and business politics mixing would face harsh consequences. Here's why. 1. Sweden's anti-corruption and transparency laws. A. Asset declarations. Public officials must declare all income, assets, and conflicts of interest in the Swedish Public Employment Service, SPES, registry. Penalties for non-compliance. Fines, up to 6 months' salary. Disqualification from office. Criminal charges for fraud, Swedish Penal Code Chapter 10, Section 5. B. Nepotism and business politics mixing. Strict rules. Ministers/MPs cannot appoint family to state roles, Swedish Instrument of Government, Chapter 12. Private business dealings must be divested or publicly justified. Example, in 2018, Culture Minister Alice Bah Kuhnke was investigated for a minor conflict, her spouse's NGO funding. She resigned preemptively to avoid scandal. 2. What would happen to Karpal and Sons? Scenario 1, undeclared wealth. Swedish tax agency, Skatteverket, would audit them aggressively. Sweden tracks wealth via personal identity numbers. If hidden assets found. Tax evasion charges, jail up to 6 years. Public shaming. Swedish media like Dagens Nyheter would expose them. Scenario 2, nepotism in appointments. Constitutional Committee, KU, would investigate and force resignations. Example, in 2006, Trade Minister Maria Borelius quit after hiring a nanny illegally shows Sweden's zero tolerance. Scenario 3, business politics corruption. Swedish Anti-Corruption Unit, Riksrevisionen, would prosecute under Bribery Act, 2012, jail for public officials taking private benefits. Corporate liability law, Sons businesses could be blacklisted from state contracts. 3. Real cases in Sweden, for comparison. 2017, Anna Johansson, Infrastructure Minister, resigned after minor ethics breach, didn't disclose a board role. 2021, Ardalan Shekarabi, Minister, faced scrutiny for undisclosed stock trades, had to explain publicly. General culture, no VIP immunity, even PMs get audited, e.g., Stefan Löfven's tax returns. 5. Conclusion: if Karpal Singh and Sons operated in Sweden, white check mark, undeclared assets? Jail plus fines. White check mark, nepotism? Forced resignations plus bans. White check mark, business politics deals? Corporate blacklisting plus prosecutions. Sweden's system works because 1. Transparency is non-negotiable. 2. Institutions, KU, Skatteverket, are independent. 3. Public shaming greater than political connections. Malaysia's takeaway? Without institutional reform, déjà vu, sons repeating father's acts, will continue.